Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm here to give you a long-term review and gaming test of Vivo X70 Pro Plus after 1.5 years of releasing. It was released in September 2021 and it was the flagship phone at the time, which comes with Snapdragon 888 Plus processor, which is based on 5nm, and Adreno 660 GPU, which is very optimized for gaming. As you can see here, my device is based on 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB storage, and the device has FunTouch OS 13, which is based on Android 13. Talking about the display, it has 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED Quad HD curved display with 120Hz refresh rate and 1500 nits peak brightness. While using the device, it feels super smooth due to its 120Hz refresh rate. As you can see here, while using the device, it feels very smooth.
The airdrop is coming.
While watching the content on the device, it provides the good color balance and deep black due to the cause of its HDR10 Plus support, and you can watch the content in 4K resolution. While opening the apps on the device, it feels very smooth and the apps opening time is very fast and accurate. And the touch response is also very good. The device can handle multiple tasks. For example, whenever you can open the multiple tasks on the background, it never disappoints you. You can open every task very smoothly. It feels very good and smooth. Refreshing the device and scrolling the content on your device, it feels very smooth, and the apps opening time, loading time and refresh time is very fast. Talking about the camera, it has quad camera setup on the backside. The primary one, which is 50 megapixel with OIS support, and the second one, ultra wide camera with 48 megapixel. The third one, 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and the last one, 8 megapixel periscope telephoto lens camera with 5x optical zoom and 60x digital zoom. And talking about the front camera, it has 32 megapixel front camera. The camera department of the device is very good. The device has various type of function while capturing the camera and video and different lighting, and even it does have 60x zoom. The device has 4500 mAh battery which support 55-watt charging as well as 50-watt wireless charging, and the device do support reverse wireless charging system, so you can charge your AirPods or your smartwatch as well. Talking about the gaming, let's try Call of Duty Mobile. The device has game setup or turbo game. You can see here it has various type of functions, like you can record the game, you can record video, take a screenshot, you can lock the brightness, you can block the notification as well. You can see your system uses and GPU uses. The device support very high graphics with max FPS. But while playing the games on the device, sometimes it has the heating issue. You can feel the heating issue on the device while playing the games on very high graphics with max FPS. So it's better you to use the low graphics and max FPS. While playing the games it doesn't have any kind of issue and lag, but while recording the games, then at the time you will feel some kind of lags and heating issue. So I don't think it's a good phone for the gaming. So now let's try for the PUBG Mobile. The game control settings are similar to here. As you can see here, you can change the voice while playing the games. You can lock the brightness and you can record a screen, as well as it does show the your CPU uses and GPU uses, and as well as it also shows your battery percentage here. As you can see here, the device support 90 FPS on smooth and extreme in HDR graphics. So now let's play some game.
Team match. Let's go.
First point for the red team.
Cover me.
The device feels smooth while playing the games. As you can see here, it feels smoother. Don't look at my gaming performance because it's very bad, but the device is very smooth. Finally, the conclusion is that the device is good for the normal uses, but if you are a heavy gamer and you want the device for gaming only, then I don't think it's a good phone for you. The device is only for photography. This is camera centralized device and camera centralized phone, which is mainly focused on the camera system. It has the lot of function for the camera department, but for the gaming it doesn't have any kind of a good function. Like while playing the games for only half an hour, then you can realize the heating issue, and after that while recording the screen on while playing the games, then you will feel various type of lagging. So if you are a normal user and you want the device only for the photography, then it's a very good phone because the device has very good camera setup which can capture the camera and video in the very good quality in different lighting.